Christian flag. I am a Filipino. I sincerely pledge my allegiance
Bluetooth disconnected.
to the Philippine flag and to the country it represents with honor, justice, and freedom exercised by a people.
Bluetooth committed.
Tawag ng Kristiyano. I pledge allegiance to the Christian flag, Savior, and to the Savior, God's holy word. I will make it back unto my feet.
Kaya sa aking dalangin o Diyos, ay tulungan mo kami at ihanda aming puso sa pakikinig ko ng iyong mga salita. Pangunahan mo kami.
Are you ready for the journey ahead of us? Tumasin ang natatagong yaman, higit pa sa ginto ng mundo, at sa hinahanap ko. Let's go!
Okay, na alam niyo na kung na kanino, warmer at saka colder lang. And okay, ready, go!